Okay guys, got a model unboxing today. This was off eBay. Excuse me, I had free shipping for this one. I don't know how much is regularly retail for. So, but I got it for 74 bucks. Like I said, free shipping. I got here within 5 days. The order's on Saturday. I didn't order Saturday. I forget when I ordered. It was 5 days. Not important. But this is going with the how to set up starting on 134th collection up again. I'm getting. This is one of them. Nice little package job though. If there's anything that like a specific model you want to see or something, let me know, because I'm gonna start rebuilding all my collections again. I just want to get different ones. I don't want to keep getting the same ones. Also, from what I understand about this is only 480 of these have been ever made, or 720, something like that. But it's rare. That's why I bought it. Oh, look at this. Cold. But it's a Massachusetts Turnpike Authority Mack dump truck here. It's got a plow. That's pretty much the only reason why I bought it. And it was in 134th, and I got it free shipping. But this is just a really nice model. Looking at it right now. As always, I will have a model review up with this. I got some more models coming. I do have more 150 scale stuff to throw up, but as always, thanks for watching, and happy holidays.